Hi guys, welcome to Lance Mobility. Welcome in today's video. Today we're going to introduce the new Volkswagen ID.5 GTX. The integrated spoiler gives the car a unique design. The beautiful LED tail lights run over the entire width of the car. There are many different colors available. This is the color Skill Silver and he has the 29-inch Norvec wheels. Today I'm going to drive the Volkswagen ID.5. This is the GTX. This version has 300 horsepower and 4-wheel drive. I'm very curious how this car drives. First look at the space, which despite the sloping roofline is not disappointing. Headroom is surprisingly good and rear legroom is excellent, thanks to the hefty wheelbase of the MEB platform. We sit on the sport seats that are available for the GTX, which also shows what kind of image Volkswagen is striving for with the GTX. When I look at the finish and the use of the materials, the ID.5 GTX is in good shape. The upholstery and other materials used feel high quality. The seats also feel very good to sit in. For example, the seats and steering wheel can be perfectly adjusted to a new user. Do you order the electrical adjustable seats with memory? Then you only need to set your settings once. When I accelerate slowly, I hear a sound. This is a mate sound and is used by Volkswagen as e-sound or a sound simulation. For example, fellow road users hear the ID.5 from outside. This increases the safety for you and your fellow road users. Some extra options on this Volkswagen ID.5 GTX is the assistance package. This includes a rear view camera, keyless access, a theft alarm, pre-crash, eliminated door handles, Park Assist Plus. The car can park in and out by itself. Also the design package, the headlamp lighting, LED matrix, IQ light, the connecting LED strip between the headlights, the LED tail lights, luxurious including dynamic indicators, a rear side windows and rear window are extra tinted. The Design Package Plus included the panorama roof. This one cannot be opened. And also this ID.5 GTX also has a head-up display. This is the 12-inch multimedia screen and it's within easy reach of the driver. From this screen we can set everything from the car itself, assistance systems, media settings, CarPlay, navigation and other functions. The estimated energy consumption of the Volkswagen ID.5 GTX is about 19 kWh at 100 kilometers. For comparison, this energy consumption corresponds a fuel consumption of 2.1 liters at 100 kilometers for a traditional petrol car. Charging can be done at home via the socket or your own charging station. Public charging always takes place via a charging station. How fast the car charges depends on the charging station that is used and what the maximum charging capacity of the car is. This ID.5 GTX has a load capacity of 11 kW. The loading time is about 8 hours and 12 minutes. Fast charging power, it's about 125 kW. The fast charge time is about a half an hour. With a fully charged battery, the ID.5 GTX has a range of up to 491 kilometers. When I get on the highway, I see that the ID.5 GTX with a torque of 216 Newton meters goes from 0 to 100 in 6.3 seconds. That's pretty fast in this case. The car doesn't feel as a sporty one, as the name GTX suggests. This is a comfortable car for all. This car weighs more than 2000 kilograms and the ID.5 GTX reaches a top speed of 180 kilometers per hour. Here are some measurements. The length is 4.60 meters, the width is 1.85 meters, the height is 1.62 meters, the wheelbase is 2.77 meters, and the track height in front is 1.59 meters, and the rear track height is 1.75 meters. The capacity of the trunk is 549 liters, and with the benches fold down, 1561 liters. For my first test drive in the ID.5 GTX, I'm not quite convinced yet. I expect a sporty fast car, but I get a comfortable heavy one. This has a lot of influence on the driving experience of the ID.5 GTX. The car drives very nice, and then the high seating is a relief. In the combination with the four-wheel drive and the large power, this car is not inferior to others. It is super on the road, and especially in the bends, I get a bit of sporty feeling. The price. The ID.5 is already available from 41,260 euros, excluded all the taxes. The model we drove, the GTX, is in the showroom from 47,500, excluded all taxes. The Volkswagen ID.5 comes with 2 years full factory warranty, 8 years of manufacturing warranty on the high voltage battery, or a max 260,000 kilometers, and up to 7 years maintenance. Thank you for watching this one. This was the driving experience with the Volkswagen ID.5 GTX. More videos? Please like and subscribe these videos for more videos. I can really appreciate that. Until the next video, I see you at Lands Mobility.